Welcome. Today, I am going to show a use case which represents the end to end journey of customers buying an insurance policy. This website is built in Oracle Content and Experience and Oracle Intelligent Advisor. Oracle Content and Experience is a cloud based content hub to drive omni channel content management and accelerate experience delivery. It offers powerful collaboration, workflow management, and development capabilities to streamline the creation and delivery of content. Whereas Oracle Intelligent Advisor is designed as a specialized decision making platform. While it provides the benefit of traditional technical rules platform to maintain it in Microsoft Word and Excel, it is optimized to implement complex policy logic that drives decision making and calculations. So let's begin with our use case of buying insurance policies. This site is designed in such a way that whether the customer is aware of the insurance knowledge or not, this website will help to choose most appropriate and reliable insurance policy. The content, policy rules, illustration calculations, all are maintained centrally by the business users in different channels, portals, mobile, and digital assistant. So, let's see one by one what are the different scenarios in this perspective. So, here is the list of all the plans which are available. These are the plans offered by the company. Let's say this customer who is visiting the website is already aware about the insurance plans, or he is already decided which plan to buy. So he can click on the particular plan and then he can directly start with creating the quotation and proceed further for buying the journey. Or else, if he wants to know the details about the insurance plan, like its benefits, terms, and conditions, so he can click on Know More. So now let's assume first we'll select the children's plan. He can click on more details to know the criteria and benefits, or he can create a quotation. Now, coming up to the second scenario, these plans are divided under certain categories like financial security for future of your children's. So under this category, some of the plans are listed. Now it is showing only one children plan, but a real scenario, there might be multiple plans available in a single category. Again, he can continue with viewing the details, or else he can create a quote. Now, let's consider the next scenario where the customer is not aware of which plan to buy or which plan will be more appropriate for him. So in this situation, he can go with the options of system recommendation. So as the word says, system will recommend the most appropriate plan for the customer, and for this, system will be asking few sets of question to understand the customer's background, like his financial, family, and his behavioral conditions. So based on this and different combinations of the answers, system will filter out only the appropriate plan from all the available list. So now as we can see, based on the conditions and the questions and the answers, the system has recommended us three different sets of plan from all the available list. Now from this recommended list, let's select one of the plan, that is retirement plan. So he can either go with now selecting the details or directly start with creating the quotation. So now we'll start by creating a new quotation. This component is created by Oracle Intelligent Advisor, which shows the premium calculator of the retirement plan, where all the basic details of the customer will be captured along with the policy details. As per the customer's interest, he can select the number of years of the policy, sum assured, and all the other policy stuff. And then after this, a quotation will be generated on these details. Now here we can see system has calculated all the sum assured and premium details, and the same quotation in the PDF format can also be downloaded. So this is the PDF created by Oracle Intelligent Advisor. Maintaining rules in OIA will gradually increase the operational agility, and all the policy rules are managed centrally. Now, let's assume the customer is satisfied with this plan, the quotation generated by the system, and now he is interested to buy this insurance. So we'll click and proceed with the buying journey. In this buying process, customer will be asked to fill for more details like his residential details, KYC documentations for the verification purpose, digital signature, and to agree for all the terms and conditions stated with this insurance policy. Post this, an insurance underwriting process will be carried. So this is the process where a huge set of questions will be asked to the customers in order to understand his medical background, whether he has gone through any surgery, or do he have sugar, BP, or does he consume any form of alcohol, etc. So this will help to know the risk or the fraud level of the customer. The underwriting process will generate a final result of the customer, that is the pass or fail. And also this will be calculated for each of the underwriting parameters. If the final result of the customer is pass, then only he'll be allowed to buy this insurance policy. Now, as in this case, we can say the result is pass, so we can continue and go ahead for the payment of this plan. Let's assume here the payment will be done by the customer, and after a successful payment, system will create an insurance certificate of this plan, and this will be immediately issued to the customer. So this is the certificate generated by the system for this buyed insurance policy. Thank you for understanding the entire journey of insurance buying process. Have a good day.